Imagine spending entire weeks on the road, crossing deserts, mountains, and cities that barely pause to notice you. Outside, the engine roars with hundreds of horsepower pushing tons of steel forward. Inside, silence, premium leather, adjustable ambient lighting, and a bed that could compete with one in a five-star hotel. At what moment did a simple sleeping space turn into a luxury apartment on wheels? Today, you're about to discover the biggest and most luxurious sleeper cabs ever built.
And if you think you've already seen it all, wait until number 1, because it completely redefines what it means to live on the road. Subscribe and hit the like button, because what you're about to hear is not just heavy work, it's extreme luxury in motion.
Number 10. Volvo 5NL Mega Sleeper. At first glance, it looks like just another modern Volvo, with clean aerodynamic lines and an elegant but discreet presence. But when you observe it from the side, you realize this is not a conventional truck. The extension of the cab can reach approximately 180 inches, more than 4.5 meters dedicated exclusively to living space behind the driver's seat. That completely changes the logic of life on the road.
Under the hood, it usually carries the well-known Volvo D13 engine, a 12.8-litre inline six-cylinder capable of delivering around 500 horsepower and a powerful torque figure exceeding 2,500 Newton-meters, enough to move this extended structure smoothly for thousands of kilometers. On the outside, it maintains its modern identity, a strong front end, subtle chrome details, and a finish that conveys class without excessive flashiness. But the real impact begins when the door opens.
The interior is divided like a small mobile loft. Right as you enter, a retractable sofa with a folding table appears, allowing you to eat comfortably or simply relax outside the bed area. Leather upholstery, dark wood finishes, and LED ambient lighting strips create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere that feels far removed from the idea of a typical work truck. Further back, a fully equipped kitchen appears, a generously sized refrigerator, a built-in microwave, a stainless steel sink, and custom-designed cabinets. Nothing feels improvised. Everything is integrated like in a compact high-end apartment. At the rear, the sleeping area offers a queen-size bed with a high-density mattress and thermal and acoustic insulation that can turn a noisy truck stop into a quiet refuge. Projects at this level can easily exceed $400,000 depending on equipment and independent power systems. And many owners agree on one thing. After living in a mega sleeper, going back to a traditional cab simply doesn't make sense anymore. Number 9. Peterbilt 389 Full Black Custom. Some trucks attract attention, others command respect before the engine even starts. This Peterbilt belongs to the second category. The deep black paint with a glossy finish reflects every light like a liquid mirror. The long classic hood, polished vertical exhaust stacks, and extended chassis reinforce a dominant presence that never goes unnoticed at events or fuel stations. Even when parked, it has the aura of something powerful waiting to move. And the sleeper cab also exceeds 180 inches in length, offering more than 4.5 meters of real living space. Under the hood, there is usually a high-performance engine in the range of 500 to 565 horsepower, with massive torque designed for long distances and heavy loads without effort. It is classic American power, combined with a structure that demands mechanical authority and reliability over endless highway miles. But the radical transformation happens inside, and the dark and aggressive exterior contrasts with a surprisingly welcoming interior environment. Premium leather, warm LED lighting, handcrafted wood, and metallic details create the sensation of being inside a mobile executive lounge. The kitchen, compact but functional, integrates a refrigerator, microwave, stainless steel sink, and custom-built cabinetry crafted with millimeter precision. The sleeping area includes a wide queen-size bed with reinforced insulation, turning the cab into a quiet environment even in high-traffic areas. Some configurations incorporate a private bathroom with a fully enclosed shower, something that raises autonomy to another level entirely. This is not mass production. Each unit reflects the personal taste of its owner. In terms of investment, these builds can surpass $500,000. It's luxury with a strong identity, without any attempt to be subtle. Number 8. Freightliner Argosy Extreme Custom. Seeing a Freightliner Argosy on the road is already uncommon, but encountering one transformed into a rolling mansion is something else entirely. Unlike the classic long-nosed trucks, the Argosy uses a cab-over design, with the cab positioned directly above the engine. That compact architecture allows something very important. The structure can be extended backward almost disproportionately. In these extreme conversions, the total length of the unit can exceed 9 meters, with a large portion dedicated to living space, approaching the size of a small motorhome integrated into a heavy-duty truck. Mechanically, it is often powered by Detroit diesel or Cummins engines in the 500 horsepower range, producing torque figures above 2,300 Newton meters. That is enough to move this enlarged structure with stability.
And supported by 6x4 configurations and reinforced air suspensions that absorb vibrations despite the additional structural weight. Long highway journeys remain smooth, even with the extra mass behind the cab. But the real spectacle is inside. The first section functions as a genuine living room. A wide sofa, ambient lighting distributed across the ceiling and walls, handcrafted wood surfaces, and multi-layer acoustic insulation. Moving deeper into the cabin,
The kitchen stops being a truck kitchen and becomes residential. A full-size refrigerator, an electric cooktop, a built-in microwave, a deep sink, and abundant storage. At the rear, a fixed queen-size bed appears, often accompanied by a full bathroom with an enclosed shower and expanded water tanks. These projects can exceed $600,000 and often take years to complete. It's not simply a sleeper cab anymore. It is a house integrated into a heavy-duty chassis.
Number 7. RI Legacy Sleeper.
When the name RE Legacy Sleepers enters the conversation, the discussion changes immediately. At this point, we are no longer talking about extensions. We are talking about architecture on wheels. Based on a Peterbilt 220 platform, this project can easily exceed 200 inches of extended cab space, more than 5 meters dedicated exclusively to living. From the outside, it keeps the strong Peterbilt identity.
But the proportions make it clear that this is far from standard. Under the hood, we usually find modern engines around the 500 horsepower mark, paired with next-generation automated transmissions that ensure smooth travel despite the additional weight. The stretched chassis and calibrated air suspension maintain stability even with water tanks, auxiliary batteries, and independent electrical systems installed throughout the structure.
Opening the door feels like stepping into a luxury studio apartment. A fixed sofa with premium upholstery sits beneath adjustable LED lighting zones, while surfaces feature either solid wood or marble-style finishes depending on the configuration. The kitchen includes a large refrigerator, a built-in cooktop, microwave, stainless steel sink, and custom cabinetry built precisely for the space. Further back, a private bathroom with a fully enclosed shower and a conventional toilet redefines driver independence on long journeys. The sleeping area incorporates a full-size fixed bed, independent climate control, and reinforced thermal insulation that allows rest even in extreme weather conditions. Each unit is built on demand and customized down to the smallest detail. The value can easily exceed $700,000. At this point, the truck stops being a tool and becomes a permanent lifestyle. Or if this is only the 7th position, get ready, because from here on, the size, exclusivity, and level of investment begin to enter territory where many houses start to feel small.
Number 6. Kenworth W900L Limited Edition. The W900L is already an icon by nature. Long hood, low stance, chrome tanks reflecting the asphalt, and a silhouette that has dominated North American highways for decades. But in the limited edition version, the level rises even further. Restricted production, numbered badges, and exclusive finishes turn this truck into something close to a collector's item. The extended sleeper exceeds 156 inches.
Approaching 4 meters dedicated to rest and daily living, with special configurations that can expand the interior space even further. Under the hood, you will often find a Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX13, producing between 565 and 605 horsepower, with torque figures exceeding 2,700 Newton meters. That strength not only moves heavy cargo, it also pulls an expanded cabin, additional tanks, and independent electrical systems with authority. The 6x4 drivetrain and calibrated air suspension ensure stability despite the increase in structural weight. Once inside, the aesthetic blends tradition and luxury. A classic analog dashboard is complemented by modern digital integration. Thick leather, polished wood, and subtle ambient lighting create an atmosphere reminiscent of a high-end American suite. A retractable sofa, solid folding table,
and intelligently distributed storage transform the space into something practical for weeks on the road. The kitchen includes an integrated refrigerator, microwave, and premium finished surfaces. At the rear, a spacious bed with a high-density mattress is paired with reinforced acoustic insulation that turns outside noise into a distant murmur. Some units incorporate a compact bathroom, increasing independence during long trips. The value can surpass $600,000. It's luxury with heritage.
And power backed by decades of trucking history. Number 5. Peterbilt 379 Smith's Rolling Fleet. Here we officially enter the top 5. The 379 is already a legend in the history of heavy transport in North America, But in the version developed by Smith's rolling fleet, the word excess begins to feel insufficient. The sleeper cab exceeds 200 inches, offering more than 5 meters of real space integrated into the chassis. Visually, it is imposing: two-tone paint, polished vertical exhausts, a stretched frame, and a stance that seems to challenge gravity. Mechanically, these projects often use Caterpillar or Cummins engines producing between 550 and 600 horsepower, with torque figures around 2,800 Newton meters. That is more than enough power to move a structure that becomes significantly heavier due to independent water systems, auxiliary batteries, and onboard generators. But the true heart of this truck is inside. The cabin is divided into clearly defined spaces. A main living area with a wide sofa allows relaxation away from the bed. A solid retractable table makes real meals possible during long journeys. The kitchen is fully equipped with a large refrigerator, microwave, deep sink, and custom furniture built specifically for the interior layout. Further back, a fixed queen-size bed with adjustable ambient lighting and independent climate control creates a private retreat. Many configurations include a full bathroom with an enclosed shower, eliminating the need for external facilities for weeks at a time. This 379 is not only luxury, it is presence. At exhibitions, it often attracts more attention than many high-performance sports cars. Conversions can easily exceed $650,000. At this level, we are no longer talking about comfort. We are talking about a solid home mounted on a steel chassis designed to cross continents.
Number 4. Volvo 5NL860 Custom Garage Sleeper. Just when you think road luxury has reached its peak, this version of the Volvo 5NL appears and changes the rules. This is not simply an extended sleeper. Here we are talking about more than 220 inches of sleeper space, nearly 5.6 meters dedicated to living. And in addition, a rear compartment specifically designed as an integrated garage. Yes, a structural section with its own door and lifting system capable of transporting a motorcycle or large personal equipment. Under the hood, it maintains the reliability of the Volvo D13, a 12.8-litre inline six-cylinder producing between 500 and 525 horsepower and more than 2,500 Newton-meters of torque. The automated I-shift transmission works together with a 6x4 configuration and reinforced air suspension to manage the additional weight of the rear module, expanded tanks,
And autonomous electrical systems. Inside, the feeling is that of a high-end compact apartment. A retractable sofa with premium upholstery sits under zoned LED lighting, surrounded by wood finishes or stone-style surfaces depending on configuration. The kitchen integrates a full-size refrigerator, electric cooktop, built-in microwave, and a deep sink with optimized storage. Further ahead, a private bathroom with a fully enclosed shower and larger water tank capacity transforms long-distance autonomy. In the rear section, the fixed bed offers independent climate control and multi-layer acoustic insulation. But the element that separates it from the rest is the garage itself. It allows the driver to park the truck and continue traveling by motorcycle, combining luxury with complete freedom. These projects can exceed $800,000. Number 3. Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab. The 589 was created to preserve classic American trucking DNA, but in the Ultra Cab configuration, it reaches a level of refinement that borders on futuristic. Its extended cab ranges from 150 to 180 inches, although customized versions exceed those figures significantly, offering up to 4.5 meters of living space optimized with contemporary design. It usually carries modern engines such as the Cummins X15, producing around 500 horsepower, combined with next-generation automated transmissions that prioritize efficiency and smoothness over long distances. The stretched chassis and calibrated air suspension maintain stability despite the additional weight of autonomous systems and premium finishes. Opening the door reveals an immediate contrast: an integrated digital panel, fully adjustable ambient lighting, and an aesthetic inspired by modern residential interiors. A large fixed sofa, refined surfaces, and intelligent storage solutions create a space that feels sophisticated and organized. The kitchen, although compact, includes a built-in refrigerator, microwave, stainless steel sink, and high-quality countertops. Some configurations even include quartz-style or synthetic stone surfaces. The sleeping area features a spacious fixed bed with independent climate control and advanced acoustic insulation that turns the interior into a quiet refuge even in high-traffic areas. Several units also include a compact bathroom, increasing independence during long journeys. The price can exceed $750,000 depending on specification. Here the conversation changes. It's no longer just about classic luxury or extreme size. It's about combining modern technology, residential comfort, and historical heritage in one steel structure. Number 2. Peterbilt Shell, bootleggers pulling team. This is not simply a truck with an extended sleeper. It is a mobile operational base built to support one of the most recognized teams in the world of tractor pulling, the Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team. From the outside, the custom paint with team graphics and intense colors makes it clear that it was not designed to blend in. The stretched chassis, polished tanks, and a cab exceeding 220 inches, more than 5.5 meters dedicated purely to living, place it among the largest sleepers ever built. Under the hood, there are usually engines in the range of 550 to 600 horsepower, producing torque figures above 2,800 Newton meters. This power is necessary not only to move the enlarged structure, but also to transport heavy competition equipment with absolute stability. A 6x4 configuration, reinforced air suspension, and independent auxiliary electrical systems transform this Peterbilt into a self-sufficient platform. Inside, the feeling is that of a private lounge. A wide sofa allows team members to gather before competitions, while strategically distributed LED lighting and dark wood finishes create a refined environment. The kitchen is completely functional, with a large refrigerator, microwave, deep sink, and enough space to prepare real meals during multi-day events. Further back, a private bathroom with an enclosed shower guarantees full autonomy at racing circuits and fairs. The sleeping area offers a large bed with reinforced acoustic insulation, allowing real rest even in noisy environments such as competition tracks. This project can easily exceed $850,000. It is luxury with a clear purpose. It doesn't just transport extreme machines, it operates as a mobile command center. And if you thought that was the ultimate point, get ready. Number 1. Volvo 5NL Expedition. First place could not simply be large, it had to be complete. The Volvo 5NL Expedition was not designed only to travel highways. It was created for full-time living on the road with total autonomy. The extended structure exceeds 220 inches, and the entire vehicle can approach or even surpass 40 feet in total length. It is pure presence, elegant, refined, and imposing without the need for visual exaggeration. And powered by the reliable Volvo D13, producing between 500 and 525 horsepower and more than 2,500 Newton meters of torque, this truck is prepared to travel thousands of kilometers with consistent smoothness. The I-shift transmission optimizes every gear change, while the air suspension absorbs road imperfections despite the additional weight of expanded tanks, battery banks, and independent energy systems. But the real reason it takes the number 1 spot is autonomy. Opening the door reveals an interior divided like a high-end apartment. A wide sofa, adjustable lighting, and a complete kitchen with a residential-sized refrigerator, cooktop, microwave, and generous storage create a comfortable living area. The bathroom includes a fully enclosed shower and a conventional toilet with no sense of improvised space. At the rear, the fixed bed combines with independent climate control and multi-layer acoustic insulation. Autonomous electrical systems, large water reservoirs, and advanced energy solutions allow days, even weeks, without depending on hotels or external infrastructure. The value can exceed $1 million depending on configuration. But beyond the price, it represents something different. Absolute freedom with complete comfort. For many owners, it is not simply a work tool. It is their permanent home. It is the final evolution of what a sleeper cab can become when the limit is no longer budget, but imagination. Now today, you saw how the concept of the sleeper cab stopped being basic and turned into mansions on wheels. From classic luxury to total autonomy, each one raised the standard higher. Now I want to know something. If money were no problem, which one would you choose? If you enjoyed this journey through the most brutal and luxurious sleeper cabs on the planet, subscribe and hit like. That helps more enthusiasts of extreme machines discover this content. And get ready, because what's coming in the next videos will take engineering on wheels to an even wilder level.